Chromebooks these days come in a lot of shapes and sizes. While Lenovo has traditionally offered budget-friendly options mainly built for the education segment, the company showed up at CES with a new 2-in-1 Lenovo IdeaPad Duet Chromebook, which uses a less popular tablet form factor with a detachable keyboard and stand. Now, we've seen this combination before, with Google attempting it with the Pixel Slate back in 2018. But Lenovo is keeping the IdeaPad Duet as a budget-friendly option at only $280. And the kicker here is that the keyboard and the case, which also doubles as a stand, is also included in the price. Of course, the tablet's main attraction, though, is its 10.1-inch 1920 by 1200 IPS display, which offers 400 nits of brightness and a 70% color gamut, sporting narrow bezels on all of its sides, which actually makes it feel a lot smaller than most other 10-inch tablets that are on the market. With the footprint of the tablet being smaller, you also get a smaller keyboard as well, which is a little bit more cramped than what we'd like. That being said, though, the typing experience is actually pretty comfortable. The only real downside is that the trackpad is smaller than what we would like. Since this is a full-featured Chromebook, the IdeaPad Duet comes with all the features that you'd get on other devices. It has a built-in Google Assistant support, access to the Play Store, and of course, a full version of the Chrome browser. Lenovo's also thrown in a front-facing camera for video calls and one on the back if you want to be that person that takes pictures with their tablet. While the hardware here may not be nearly as powerful as what Google is using on the Pixel Slate, it still feels quite responsive and could actually be a great alternative for an Android tablet. Lenovo plans to bring the IdeaPad Duet to market starting in May of this year. It'll be interesting to see how this category of Chromebooks actually evolves as we move further into 2020, as more and more manufacturers have been using Chrome OS as a platform alternative to Android. For more coverage from CES 2020, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to head over to Phandroid.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.